What if I told you the wrong exhaust fan could be ruining your bathroom right now? Dramatic pause, mold, humidity, even structural damage, all because of a $50 mistake. But today, we reveal the top 5 exhaust fans that actually work in 2025. Stick around, because number 3 will shock you. Oh, and all purchase links? You know where to find them. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. Broan-NuTone Bathroom Exhaust Fan with Bluetooth Speaker and LED Light. Best value. The Broan-NuTone SPK80L is louder than our overall best pick, but the list price is about $40 lower, and it's often on sale for even less. With a built-in light and crystal clear Bluetooth speaker, we think this is a great value if you don't mind a slightly louder fan. We installed this exhaust fan in an 8 by 10 foot main bathroom, which is a perfect match for the fan's airflow capacity. It provided excellent air circulation, and we noticed it dispersed the mist that would normally form in the air above the shower stall. It even defogged the bathroom mirrors. The installation process is straightforward, but it does require attic access. One feature we particularly like is that you can wire the light and fan either together or separately, allowing you to choose whether to turn the light on without the fan, or vice versa. The Bluetooth speaker only works when the light is on, and the light isn't adjustable, so you can't listen to music in the dark. The light isn't super bright, though, so you can still enjoy a relaxing bath with your favorite tunes in relatively dim light. If you prefer adjustable color temperature, our best with Bluetooth pick has adjustable LED lighting and a speaker. We did run into an issue where phones reconnect to the speaker automatically, but that happened with both Bluetooth models we tested. Number 2. Delta Breez Bathroom Exhaust Fan. Best with humidity sensor. Removing humidity is one of the most important functions of a bathroom exhaust fan, but you need to remember to switch it on and off every time. We like this Delta Breez fan for bathrooms that have big humidity problems because it works automatically, no more accidentally jumping into the shower with the fan off. We installed this fan in a smaller main bathroom, about 60 square feet, that had a humidity problem, and the 80 CFM airflow took care of that instantly. We love the worry-free operation, since it switches on automatically when the humidity is high and then turns off when it's no longer needed. The performance of this fan was similar to our other favorites. Humidity hung around for about 30 minutes without the fan and dissipated after 10 minutes with the fan installed. It's a little more powerful than the size of the bathroom calls for, but that extra airflow really took care of our lingering moisture issues. We like that this fan comes with a light, but do need to point out that it's a soft white, with a bit of a yellow undertone. We would have preferred a daylight white since that's our preferred bathroom lighting, but it's good as a night light. Number 3. Homewerks 7141-50G4 Bathroom Fan. Best for small bathrooms. If you have a small bathroom, there's no reason to spend extra money on a super powerful exhaust fan. This Homewerks model is perfect for bathrooms that are 50 square feet or smaller, and the list price is about $50 less than our overall best recommendation. We installed this fan in a small main bathroom, about 50 square feet, with a shower, toilet, and small vanity, and it impressed us with excellent airflow despite having the lowest airflow of any model we tested. This manufacturer claims this fan is whisper quiet, and we verified that is true. It's so quiet that you can't even hear it when the shower is running. We had to double check to make sure it was really on. The fan we replaced used to take 20 minutes or more to clear up moisture and humidity, which this fan cut down to about 5 minutes. Despite a relatively low price, this fan includes a bright built-in light, which is an extra we really love to see. The instructions say you can wire the light to a separate dimmer switch if you want, but we just wired everything together and felt like the bright LED was really useful. Number 4. Broan-NuTone Fan and Light Combo. Best budget. Broan-NuTone is a brand you can count on, and this option is budget-friendly while offering the same reliability of more expensive options. The 50 CFM fan is recommended for rooms up to 45 square feet, so it's ideal for small or mid-sized bathrooms. We installed it in a 45 square foot bathroom with no windows, and it was extremely effective at clearing steam and odors. During testing, it actively prevented fog from developing on our bathroom mirror while we took a hot shower. We also noticed that the bathroom never felt damp because the fan worked quickly to clear any humidity. Installing the fan was quick and easy using the provided installation guide, which includes step-by-step instructions with helpful diagrams and pictures. We think most people would be able to install the fan themselves. The fan even includes a lighting feature to brighten your bathroom. With a built-in light socket, You can screw in any A19 light bulb up to 100 watts. Number 5. Broan-NuTone Single-Speed Ventilation Fan. Easiest to install. If you're planning a DIY installation for your new bathroom exhaust fan, it's crucial to pick a unit that's easy to install. The Broan-NuTone AE110 ventilation fan has a straightforward retrofit installation process, and it doesn't even require access to your attic. With a simple on-off switch and no extra features like lighting, the exhaust fan was easy to use and install during testing. We found the installation instructions to be clear and easy to understand. The box even suggests which tools you will need for installation, including a hammer, drywall saw, and screwdriver. The only extra parts we needed were 2 wire connectors. The fan has an airflow speed of 110 CFM to ventilate and remove odors even in large bathrooms. We used the unit in a 100 square foot bathroom, and it was impressively effective at removing moisture and odors. It even eliminated condensation on our bathroom windows and mirrors, making it ideal for keeping moisture at bay after a hot shower. We noticed the fan was a bit louder while operating than most of the other models on our list. However, it wasn't loud enough to disturb us, so we thought this was a small price to pay for how effective it was at ventilating the bathroom. So, which fan are you installing? Drop a comment below. And if you're tired of foggy mirrors and musty smells, smash that like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe, because next week, we're exposing the biggest home ventilation myth. All product links? Check the description. Stay dry, friends!